Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can rename your document on ClickUp. Maybe you want to rename this document on ClickUp so that you are more organized. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can rename your doc on your ClickUp. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And below, you'll see the notification icon, search icon, and then these dotted icons. In here, to rename your document, tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of your screen. And there will be a side panel that appears. You'll see here the home, notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and docs. In here, to rename your docs, simply tap on the docs. And then choose this all. And you'll see here your all documents. And then now, to rename the document, simply select the document that you want to rename. For example, this new doc. After that, tap on this three dots icon beside it. And there will be another options. As you can see in here, they have an option to rename. Simply tap on this rename options. In here, rename your document. For example, let's say subscribe. After that, simply tap on the save button to continue. And as you can see, the document name is changed. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to rename your document on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to rename your documents on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.